Listen up, yous wise guys and dolls. Welcome to the Mindstorm channel. It began in 1935 as a small YouTube channel and has been growing ever since. See, I work hard for a living, see? Living in 1930s New York is tough. Tough, I tells ya. We ain't got no fun. Gas is over 20 cents now, see? 'Cause we gotta keep working so hard every day to keep up with the prices of everything. A dozen eggs just topped over 18 cents. We gotta keep our nose to the grindstones and keep working. Now, this new AI trend is really making things much easier on me. That's the honest truth, see? But sometimes, I just want to have some fun. Fun makes the world go round, see? So today, I'm here to spill the beans on some swell AI apps that'll add some fun and interest to your life, see? So sit tight and pay attention, because I'm only going to say this once, maybe twice, because that's the kind of guy I am! Alright, first up, after a long day of working in the coal mines, all we want to do is kick off our knickers and veg out by the TV. So now, we got this app called MyMovie, see? It's a nifty little thing that helps you find movies and TV shows based on your mood and your personality. We only get radio shows, so use is lucky, see? So whether you're feeling romantic or ready for a good old gangster flick, this baby's got you covered like a blanket on a chilly night. And with all that info on movies, actors, and streaming services, it's a real goldmine for any movie buff. Just grab your smartphone and you're in business. Now, let's talk about SuperMeme AI. Capiche? This AI app is perfect for all you jokers out there. Just type in any text, and this bad boy will cook up a meme faster than you can say sleeping with the fishes. You can even make memes in other languages. And the best part, no credit card, it's free to try. So get to memeing, you mugs! Who doesn't love a cute little pet, huh? But when it comes to naming them, sometimes you're left scratching your noggin. Well, worry no more, because AI Pet Namer is here to save the day. Just give it some info about your furry friend and maybe a few things about its looks or personality, and BAM! It'll whip up a name so snazzy you'll want to name all your pets with it. So give it a whirl and let the good times roll. Listen up, all you aspiring cooks and foodies. Cook AI Foods got what it takes to make your kitchen escapades a hoot. A hoot, I tells ya. It generates one-of-a-kind recipes and offers tools like diet planners and grocery lists. You'll be cooking up a storm, and they even got pay-as-you-go plans for you cheapskates. Bada bing, bada boom, bon appetit, baby. Okay, all you Romeos need a little help with the ladies, eh? The AI pickup line generators got you covered with smooth and funny lines that'll have them swooning in no time. No more awkward silences, just a lot of sweet talking. Say hello to your new secret weapon. Hey, you like trivia? Well, Boom AI is gonna knock your socks off. This swell app can whip up a trivia game on any topic your heart desires, from movies and history to sports and music. You name it, and Boom.ai's got you covered. You can play solo and test your own smarts, or invite your pals to join in on the fun. Challenge each other to a battle of wits and see who really knows their onions. It's a hoot, I tell ya. And it's a perfect way to liven up those dull parties or hangouts. Plus, with Boom.ai, you can customize the game to your heart's content. Choose the number of questions, difficulty level, and even the type of questions. It's like having your very own trivia master tailor-made just for you and your gang. And here's the real kicker, folks. Not only will you have a blast playing, but you'll also learn a thing or two along the way. You'll be the life of the party. Trust me, it's the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas rolled into one snazzy package. If you got a bunch of ingredients but ain't got a clue what to cook, well, have I got the answer for you? Let's Foodie, the niftiest app on the block, is here to save the day. You just gotta spill the beans on what you got in that icebox of yours. And it'll whip up a recipe that's the cat's meow. No more wasting grub or scratching your noggin trying to figure out what to make. But wait, there's more. Let's Foodie ain't just about giving you recipes. It's got your back with some real swell reads on all things food related. You'll learn tips and tricks from the best chefs in the biz. Discover new dishes to impress your pals, and even get the lowdown on how to make the most of your leftovers. You'll be a regular culinary mastermind in no time. So say goodbye to those what's for dinner blues and let Let's Foodie guide you to a world of mouth-watering meals. Give it a whirl and you'll see just how easy it is to put some pizzazz into your home cooking. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Looking for the perfect gift but ain't got a clue? Gift AI's the answer to your prayers, and it's here to take the guesswork out of gift giving. This smart cookie's got the brains to analyze conversations, picking up hints and clues to figure out the perfect present for any occasion. Birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show you care. Gift AI's got you covered. No more traipsing around the shops or getting lost in the online jungle. Gift AI makes gift shopping a breeze. Just plug in the details of the lucky recipient, and it'll do all the heavy lifting for you. It'll consider their interests, hobbies, and even their personal style to find a gift that'll knock their socks off. And the best part? Gift AI's got options for every budget. So whether you're splurging or pinching pennies, you'll find just the right thing. Say goodbye to the headache of gift shopping, and hello to Gift Assistant IO, your new personal gift-giving guru. So, the next time you're in a bind, unsure of what to buy for that special someone, give Gift AI a whirl. Here's a little something extra for yous. A bonus site, 'cause I like you that much. It's another gift finder called Giftastic AI, and it's the bee's knees when it comes to finding presents. If you still ain't sure what to get your loved ones, even after trying Gift AI, don't sweat it, 'cause Giftastic.ai's got your back. This nifty app uses AI to dig deep and to find unique and thoughtful gifts based on their personality. It's like having your own personal gift whisperer. All you gotta do is tell Giftastic.ai a bit about the lucky person you're shopping for, their likes, dislikes, and interests, and it'll work its magic to come up with a list of tailor-made gift ideas. It's a real time saver, and it takes the stress out of finding the perfect present. And hey, did I mention it's free and easy to use? You heard me right. No need to break the bank or rack your brain to find a gift that'll wow your friends and family. With Giftastic AI, you'll become the talk of the town, known for giving the most thoughtful gifts that really hit the spot. Now here's a fun app for yous. Wanna draw? But you ain't no Picasso. No sweat. AutoDraw's got your backside. This doodle tool uses machine learning to help you create top-notch visuals in no time. It's free, works on any device, and makes drawing a real hoot. And last but most definitely not least, we got Character.ai. You can pick a character from history or from a cartoon or a fake person who never existed. This lets you collaborate with a computer to write dialogues like "Yous is talking to another person." Use it for brainstorming, language learning, or just for kicks. Give it a whirl. You can even create your own AI chatbot character. I once spoke to Al Capone. He tells me the greatest way to make a handsome buck was from bootlegging and speakeasies. I think I'd rather create AI chatbots if you really want to true... Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the best AI apps that'll add a whole lot of fun and interest to your life. I gotta say, it's been a blast showing you the ropes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you had a swell time. You know, life here in 1930s New York ain't all peaches and cream. We don't got none of that fancy Netflix to keep us entertained, but hey, who needs it when you got all these snazzy AI tools to play with, right? Anyways, I'm gonna skedaddle and catch me an old radio show. Maybe a little Dick Tracy or Buck Rodgers. So till next time, folks, stay snazzy, have fun with those AI apps, and remember to keep it cool, like the dapper dames and gents you are.